Unleash your trailer's potential. Don't let the stress of parking your trailer ruin your trip. For most trailer owners, their trailers often represent untapped potential bound by limitations and fears. But with Trailer Butler portable trailer dollies, a world of freedom awaits. Here, they use the Butler to nose in and bring the steps of the trailer to the walkway. Our customers effortlessly guide their trailers, a new world of possibilities available. Trailer Butler empowers owners with newfound confidence, allowing them to take their trailers anywhere. Tom confidently parks his trailer nose first at home, but you can do this anywhere your trailer goes. The Trailer Butler providing precise control. With Trailer Butler, parking becomes a breeze and is proven on all surface types. Owners can position their trailers in any orientation, away from vehicle access or nose first for added security. Our innovative design allows for simple operation, with industry-leading performance. And with Trailer Butler's frame mount location, the trailer tongue can be placed on the ball of the truck. No need to back up. Fold the Butler up to stowed position, and you are ready to hit the road, ready for anything. Trailer Butler, where confidence meets freedom. Trailer Butler, saving marriages, one trailer at a time.